Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your washer's temperature control switch. The reason why you might have to do this is because your washer's water isn't getting the proper temperature. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around and take some screws out. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. You've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We're going to start with our 1/4-inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. So from this side here, you'll see our temperature control switch. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to tilt our control panel back up, and we're just going to remove the knob there that pulls straight off. And now what we can do is, if you want, you can take a picture of where the wires go so that you remember where they go when you get your new switch on there. Then you're just going to pull all the wires out. And once you've got all the wires removed, you're going to lift up this metal tab, and that's going to go over the plastic tab there. So you're going to twist the switch right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement temperature control switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now you'll see right here, we've got 2 slots. We've got the tabs that stick out on either side. So we're going to line that up, and we'll twist our switch into place. And that locks into place once you get it turned all the way. Okay. And now we'll plug our wires back in. And if you need to, just refer to the picture that you took yourself. There we go. Now we can tilt this up and put the knob back on. Okay. And now we can put the control panel back together. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide the top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.